since the ancient times of the Egyptians. Through the mystic land of the Chinese, inside the castles of the Indians, passing along the Industrial Revolution until modern times. Now in Cedinor, Mexico, the CNC spinning machine. The lathe as a turning technique has evolved through time, from the lathes to make pottery, wood lathes, machining lathes, and metal spinning lathes. The metal spinning technique starts from a blank of metal, is cut in a circle, and then turned in a lathe-type machine. The blank of the material is then pressed with tools against a mold to form it, producing round shapes such as cones, parabolic shapes, spheres, domes, shells, and any round part. Capabilities. Cedinor can produce parts up to 48 inches in diameter, basically in any metal that can be formed. On aluminum, Cedinor can spin material up to a thickness of 0.27 inches. On cold-rolled steel, Cedinor can spin material up to a thickness of 0.20 inches. On stainless steel, Cedinor can spin material up to a thickness of 0.11 inches. Advantages of metal spinning versus other processes. Short turnaround on investment due to tooling methods. Flexibility in tooling depending on volume, tolerance, and capability of the part needed. Spinning allows the designer and engineer to obtain function and performance as needed. Tolerances can be adjusted as necessary. Ease of design changes, especially if changes are dimensionally smaller, since the original tool can be machined as needed. Tooling costs less due to its simplicity. It is machined from steel, tool steel, or wood for shorter runs. Using the CNC machine allows high volume production with tight tolerances and consistent repeatability. Metal spinning is not just a short-run process. The metal spinning process actually improves the raw material metallurgically by realigning grain structures. Tensile strength can be improved, allowing thinner materials to be used. Part integrity may be better with spinning than with other processes. Typically, lead times for finished parts are significantly shorter than the lead times for just the stamping tooling. Cedinor began operations in 1995 as a sheet metal company producing metallic ducts for the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industries. Cedinor is a family business, and its founder is the general director, Jorge Aldape, supported by his son as the commercial director. Cedinor began exporting in 1997 and is under the EMEX program in Mexico, so no taxes are added on export products. It is located in Santa Catarina, Nuevo León, 2.5 hours from the southern border of Texas, USA. Cedinor is an ISO 9001-2008 company, and since 1997, Cedinor has established the metal spinning division to support the industry with its needs for round metal-shaped parts. Cedinor can produce your parts on their hand metal spinning machines or on the CNC machine, depending on the part and job. Cedinor has been awarded the Zero Defects Award 3 times and the Supplier Partner of the Year from its client, Rheem. Some of Cedinor's ventilation products have obtained the UL registered certification. We are here to serve you on metal spinning parts, die parts, and many metal-shaped parts. Cedinor is becoming the industry leader of the metal spinning process in Mexico.